Hello everybody, just a quick one. I've got pound Canadian dollar over here, and I'm looking at this thing in a bullish scenario whereby the market's broke a structure to the upside, validating that this whole move right here is still high probable. This whole trending market is still high probable. In order to attach myself into long positions, I saw this liquidity resting beneath this break of structure, and also I saw this order block resting underneath the order block, which has liquidity above. Therefore, I'm expecting pound Canadian dollar to push back into this area of interest and start pushing higher and hit take profit. And also I had an interesting trade on EURNZD. Let me just search for it real quick. EURNZD, where are you? There you go, I found you. Okay, I had an interesting trade on EURNZD. I hardly remember which time frame we were on, but the markets came back. We had a change of character, of course. We also had a break of structure, which was liquidity sweep. A break of structure indicating that the market is bullish. First pullback, which was inducement. Another break of structure, coming back, hitting the inducement, touching our point of interest, and giving us a reaction to the upside. The thing now is, we weren't mitigated on our smaller time frame order block, but if we look on the 4-hour time frame, we would have had a huge stop loss, which is why I hardly don't like to be entered with huge stop losses. I mean, look at this. Let me just unlock price. I mean, look at this. This is a 74 pip stop loss, but if we could just put it back to where it's supposed to be, where we have like less risk. Let me just unlock this thing again. Voila, we've got a 21 pip stop loss. So the market just didn't want to mitigate that smaller time frame order block, but for the fact that it gave us a reaction, we can also catch a move up. If the market is going up higher, we can catch a single candle order block mitigation, which is what we're going to be teaching over and over going forward. And also, I do believe I had another trade on GBPNZD. Same scenario happened to me. I wasn't mitigated on the sniper entries. I wasn't mitigated. Also here, I was targeting this low right over here. I had a refined order block right over here, which wasn't mitigated. But for the fact that it gave us a reaction, I mean, we had a break of structure to the outside, and we had inefficiency in between. We also had the first pullback after the break of structure. We had an order block resting in beneath above. We had an order block resting beneath the fair value gap. So that is good to validate that this move is still continuing to the upside. So yeah, it's still a blessed week.